Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Do you seek a little zen, a little stillness in time? If you do, I'm here to share how to do something that takes very little time, doesn't need many flowers, and is going to offer you that little tranquil moment. I saw a design similar to this when I was in Japan a number of years ago, and it's always been in the back of my mind with how beautiful it looked on the side of this lovely lacquered bureau or whatever it was that I had seen, and I thought, I'm going to do that one day. So we've had lots of requests asking for small, easy to put together designs. So I hope you enjoy this. Right, the first thing you need to do is to get one of these bamboo or two of these bamboo placemats, and you need to find a container, a glass container, to wrap around the exterior of your container. And then what I did to keep it all together was just get a hair tie band and then just put that around the side. And what I liked about the black was sometimes you see black on bamboo, so that is the first step of what we're going to do. You also need to get some very big bamboo and make sure it's watertight. And this was a big bit that I found on the side of the road, so I just brought it home and then chopped it up into usable sizes. So I'll just take this out because I need this base to keep everything together. So once you've done that, this can be my base, like so, because I always think that it's nice if you're going to do a little still moment that the design continues down to the surface area. Right, here we have one that I've set up, and I've got a piece of bamboo that I've put into the inside of my container. And when I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, do I want the plain or do I want to actually see the bamboo? Yes, I do. And when I turn this around like so, whoops, and I've just used another hair tie to fix that to the side and that one as well. And then you can just drive yourself crazy trying to get everything nice and straight. Okay, and I liked it on here. So we got the bamboo here, this lovely surface down here. You got the lovely black bands that actually are there as a mechanism to hold everything together. But it actually it adds to the whole display as we're moving along visually. Right, the next thing to do is to get a bit of stick or twine or not twine, just a stick of something that is going to be to your liking. And I'm just going to put that out to the side. I'm just going to move this around so that I can, whoa, I think I'm going to have to work the other way because my mechanisms aren't working. Okay, so we're just going to put that out to there. Then I've got a nice little mossy pad. The moss that was growing in Japan was just gorgeous. So I'm going to put that there. And then I've got another longer piece, which I'm just going to put onto there. Now I've got a shorter bit. And to get your proportions, it's about 1.5 times the height of the container or thereabouts. You can have a little bit higher, a little bit lower, it doesn't matter. Now I've got this piece here and I've found these lovely artificial moss pads. Look at that, isn't that just gorgeous? And it comes with a little bit on the back here so that it actually sits up and you can do different things with it. So with this, what I want to do with that is to just push that down and into there like so, and I'm going to bring that over and sit there. I also thought that it would be nice to have another bit that just went on there, and I've got these little round mossy balls and you can get these on Amazon. So I'm just going to put a little one there, just a little cluster there, and I'll bring another one over to there. Then I found some lovely stones because there were lovely stones everywhere, and because I said I wanted a little bit of zen, I thought that the stones would be quite beautiful. Just going to put those there, and I've got one there. And because I don't like one thing on its own, I'm going to put two with it. Perfect. You could also put this onto a tray and just cover it in nice white sand. Could also be nice. And then you could do the little patterns into it with a little rake. Okay, now the next thing is I've got some beautiful maidenhair fern, which I'm just going to put a little bit down into there. I'll put the water in when I finish this because I'm going to be moving it upstairs. That can go into there like so, and then that little bit can just go into there. So sort of like 3 triangles. So piece, or actually, I didn't do that quite as well as I should have. So I've got a couple of bits of fern there, a couple of bits of fern there, and a couple of bits up to there. Now, let's get into these lovely red Singapore orchids. These are gorgeous. Now, when I look at that one there, the flower has fallen off, so I'm not going to use that at this stage. I'm going to put that there because I actually want to see those lovely little fine line as it should be. Okay, this can just go up into there like so, gently, and then this can go down into there gently. This can go up and into there like so, and then this one can go down and into there. Look at that. Easy, easy. I'm going to move it around so that you can see what I've done now. Easy designing. Beautiful still moment of absolute deliciousness. 3 things. Now, the third that I want to use is these little anthuriums that I'm just going to poke down. I'll put that one over and into there like so. So what's happening now is your eye's coming up here, and by putting in those little anthuriums, it sort of gives you like a little moment of stillness, and it's got that lovely bright red that goes with it that can go into there. Like nice little round pad, which I think is just gorgeous. And then this one here, I'm going to bring that one down and into there. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Not very much. It's just a beautiful, beautiful thing to stop and look at and enjoy the day. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you, and I'll see you again another day.